Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to reset MetaTrader 5 to its default settings. This is super useful if you've been experiencing glitches, want to start fresh, or simply need to clear out all your customizations and configurations. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your MetaTrader 5 application on your computer. Once the application launches and you can see your trading dashboard, direct your attention to the top menu bar. You'll see several options there and you want to click on File. This is typically located in the upper left corner of the application window. After clicking File, a drop-down menu will appear with various options. From this menu, look for and click on Open Data Folder. This action is crucial because it takes you to the location where MetaTrader 5 stores all its configuration files, settings, and user data. Clicking this will open a new window showing the data directory in your File Explorer. Now, before proceeding further, you need to completely close your MetaTrader 5 application. This is important because if the application is still running, it might prevent you from deleting the necessary files or could recreate them immediately. Make sure the application is fully closed, not just minimized. With MetaTrader 5 closed, go back to the File Explorer window that opened when you clicked Open Data Folder. At the top of this window, you'll see a folder path. Click on Terminal to navigate into the Terminal folder. This folder contains various subfolders that store different types of data related to your MetaTrader 5 installation. Inside the Terminal folder, you'll notice several subfolders. Look for a folder with a random combination of letters and numbers. This folder is located directly under the Community folder, and its name might look something like D0E8209 or a similar alphanumeric code. This randomly named folder is where your specific user settings and configurations are stored. Click on this folder with the random name to select it. Once it's highlighted, simply press the Delete key on your keyboard. This action removes all your personalized settings, custom indicators, templates, and configurations. You might see a confirmation dialog asking if you're sure you want to delete this folder. Confirm the deletion to proceed. Now, when you open your MetaTrader 5 application again, it will automatically reset to its default settings. The platform will launch as if it's a fresh installation with all the original configurations and none of your previous customizations. You've successfully reset MetaTrader 5 and can now set it up from scratch according to your current needs. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.